Hello everyone, I am going to take the subject of electromagnetic field theory. Today we are learning the concept of the Coulomb's law or as well as the electric field intensity. We will see the theoretical part related to the electric field intensity. Later on we will go for the few numericals on the basis of the force. Okay, so what I mentioned here the electric field intensity which is denoted by E. Okay, electric field intensity which is denoted by E, and this electric field intensity is measured in watt per meter or Newton per coulombs. Okay, so already in the last session we have seen how total electric field intensity can be calculated. Okay, if you observe, the electric field intensity can be calculated at the point charge, at the line charge, at the surface charge as well as at the volume charge. So in short, you can say the total electric field intensity can be calculated with respect to the point charge, with respect to the line charge, with respect to the surface charge and with respect to the volume charge. So the notations are E total is equals to EP plus EL plus ES and EV. How we can calculate that one already we have seen in the last lecture. If you are taking in terms of the differential equation form, so DE is nothing but the electric field intensity, differential electric field intensity, that is equals to, what is my EP? EP is nothing but the point charge. How I can write my electric field intensity? By considering the point charge, that is nothing but Q divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 R square AR. In the last session we have written the 1 2 at the place of R12 and AR12. So 1 2 is nothing but the two charges at a 1 as well as at a 2. Here instead of taking that directly, I am taking the R. Okay, so R is nothing but again that is nothing but the distance, and that is nothing but the square of the distance. Already we know very well how we can calculate the force related to the electric field intensity. So dq divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 R square dot of AR. AR is nothing but the unit vector. Okay, now if you are talking about the electric field intensity related to the line charge, so at that time this what we can say dq divided by again the 4 pi epsilon 0 R square AR. Okay, but this dq will become, how that are going to convert, that we will see further. Similarly, likewise for the ES, for the EV, likewise. But how we can identify? So if point charge, no issue, this differential form you can avoid. Okay, you can take directly the electric field intensity after simplifying the differential. So you will get as DE will become as the E and the DQ will become as the Q divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 R square AR plus. If you are writing this equation, that is nothing but again this one. Okay, so here will be the integral of a line charge. So here already we have done the derivation related to this one. dq is nothing but rho L dl, because differential or you can say the line charge density we are interested to calculate. If dq is equals to, that is nothing but rho L dl. Okay, divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 R square AR. If you are talking about the, yes, that is nothing but the surface charge density, the electric field intensity which is related to the surface area. That time how I can write my equation? So here already I have explained, for the line single integration, for the surface double integration, for the volume triple integration. Okay, so in this way I am taking here the double integration. But what is my dq with respect to the surface area? My dq will be rho s ds divided by same equation. Here if I am talking about the volume, then at the time my dq with respect to the volume will be the rho v dv divided by so and so. So what will be my unit for electric field intensity? Electric field intensity unit will be volt per meter or Newton per coulomb, whereas for the point charge it will be the coulomb. And if we are related to the line charge, that time coulombs per meter, surface coulombs per meter square, whereas for the volume coulombs per meter cube. In many of the numerical, you need to calculate the total electric field intensity related to the point, line, surface as well as the volume, and in the few cases you need to identify individually. Okay, so now in this way we can calculate the electric field intensity, point charge, line charge, surface charge and volume charge, either individual or